How to create a turbulent display shake effect in After Effects. In today's tutorial we will explore how to create a stunning turbulent display shake effect in After Effects that will add an extra dynamic element to your videos. First, prepare your clips and create a zoom transition for the best effect when using the turbulent display shake effect. Search for the Turbulent Displace plugin in the Effects and Presets panel and apply it to your second clip. Create keyframes for amount and size, both set to 50 at the beginning. Move forward in your timeline and set the value of amount to 0 and size to 250. Fine tune the keyframes to your liking and you'll be all set. By the way, don't forget to enable motion blur to make it much smoother. Now you have created a very nice turbulent display shake effect in After Effects. This is all what you need to know. Thanks for watching this video. Subscribe if you want more tutorials like this.